so bougie. I'm gonna protect the lashes.
Yes, you can take some lashes off.
Yeah.
So I decided to start off this video a little differently. Y'all already know how to braid. Y'all already know how I do my braiding. So we starting off with the ball cap method. I already glued that down. So we are going on in and cutting off the excess cap. So the two little pieces that's dangling in the back, I just like to stretch it and tie it in the back so that the cap don't move. Y'all already know what makeup I'm using. Ruby Kisses cream. I believe level 11 again. Yeah, a lot of my clients is level 11. Like, I gotta buy this makeup probably like every 2 weeks. That's how much I use it. But this is the best makeup to use on your caps and on your wigs as well. So my client had a little big or whatever, so y'all see me pushing and pulling and making sure it fit, but it fit. Today we gonna be doing the middle part with some dramatic baby hairs. This chocolate brown is definitely to die for. A beautiful color for definitely the holidays. I believe this appointment was right before Thanksgiving, so that's perfect. Now that her ear tabs have successfully been cut off, we're going to pull that wig back and add our lace glue. Y'all already know the only glue I use, the only glue I promote is Erica J's Hold Me Down adhesive. This is the best waterproof, water resistant glue ever. Like, she promotes that and she ain't lie, because I'm a hairstylist and I can vouch, my clients can vouch, this glue is the bomb. Although her unit is HD lace, I still feel it was needed to add a little bit of makeup or lace tint. I am a big fan of lace tint, so I use the True Match lace tint in the color tan. Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. All of the nonsense that you put me through, I give it up to you. I do it all for you. So I didn't record all 3 layers, but I do apply 3 layers of glue for every install. Now that the glue is successfully dried, we are going to pull that lace forward and into the glue. And one thing as a hairstylist, don't be afraid to ask your client for help, okay? If you need her to hold down or pull down that lace so that you can maneuver, do that, okay? Yes, I know the client's in the chair and this is their me time, but if I need your assistance, I'm gonna ask you to hold that lace. And then, are you really even a wig wearer or a hairstylist if you do not have elastic bands? Like, if you're not using that, I need you to get with the program. Like, you are beyond me. So this part is going to be fast forward, probably like OD, because this is the styling process. We're only doing the middle part straight, nothing crazy. So I don't really got to explain too much. Y'all can see. One thing I can say is the flat iron that I use is the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium 3-inch flat iron. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? And boom, we're gonna have to zoom into this lace because perfection, beautiful. What lace? This is hers. So one thing about Mani, she love her some baby hairs, and they gotta be dramatic. She don't want them simple stuff. But you see how I had to push her hair back, because one thing about her, we always chatting, we always find something to talk about, and she don't ever want to stay sit in my chair. Like, baby girl, sit up.
Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. All of the nonsense that you put me through, I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
So I remember someone had asked me what I use for my baby hairs. So if I do use gel, I use the Gorilla Snot in a red bottle, only the one in the red bottle. I feel like the other ones are very slimy and sticky. Men are like that, but the red bottle is very easy to use, maneuver, and they get the baby hair. It do what it's supposed to do, and that's that on that. So like I said earlier, Mani loves big dramatic baby hairs, so that's what I'm doing now. I know this is not a lot of people's preference. I asked some girl, she was like, oh my god, them things is too big. Well, that's what my client likes. If that's not what you like, that's your business. But if that's what my client likes, that's what my client's gonna get, baby.
Do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
And bada boom, bada bang, baby. Okay, Mani is an extra girl, so the baby hairs has to be extra too. These baby hairs fit her. And you know she know how to take care of them too. She be coming back for a reinstall, and I be like, girl, them baby hairs was still intact.
You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, right, right.
So I had to put her under the dryer to dry them baby hairs, and then if they are dried, they not moving, they ain't going nowhere, I'm just gonna go tweeze a couple things, fix a couple things, re-flat iron so that it can look nice and fresh, and then y'all gonna see the final product.
Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
One thing for sure, two things for certain, my wigs never gave Humpty Dumpty. It always gave flat. I don't care how many times I gotta pass that hot comb. I don't care how many times you go, it's hot. It's gonna get flat.
Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
Had to hit them with a zoom in so y'all could see. This is no filter. What you see is what you get. Everything is laid and slayed. And this is the final look. It gave everything that it was supposed to give. I ain't leaving no motherfucking crumbs, okay? Mani was ready to be the celebrity of the family. She was ready to be that baddie in the living room. Thank you all for watching. Later.